Hi friends, this video shows how to manually start call recording during a phone call. First let me open this Samsung phone app. Tap on this icon. Then dial one number. Let me dial. Please wait. Okay, it's connected. Then here on top right corner you can see three dots. Tap on these three dots. Here you can see a record call option. Tap here. See, now recording has been started. So this way we can start call recording during a phone call. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on stop recording call. Done. So let me stop this. If you want to see that recorded call, you can go to My Files. Tap on this My Files app icon. Go to internal storage. Go to recordings. Go to call. Here you can see all auto recorded calls and manually recorded calls. From here you can select and play, or you can delete. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.